What's up, babe?
Hey, did you ever think of giving a studio tour?
I haven't thought about it. I haven't done one in a minute. I haven't done one since I built it. You know what? Let's go ahead. Let's do a studio tour. Yo, what's up, guys? In this video, I'm finally gonna be doing my art studio tour, something that I've been wanting to do. Now that I'm reaching that full year of having my full-on art studio, I think it's time that you get that full-on tour. So in this video, I'm gonna be taking you through my art studio. My space is actually really cool, so I really dig it. You know what I'm saying? Before we start, yo, can you please subscribe to my channel? Like, please, just subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you very much. The tour can begin. Welcome to my studio. These freaking dogs, my gosh. This is the front entrance of my studio, Junior Designs. My partner thinks that it's a little crooked. I think it is a little crooked, but it's cool, it's fine. Come on in. Can you take your shoes off though before you come in? Thank you. This is my art studio. This is a studio that you've seen in a lot of my videos, but now you get the official tour. So this is basically an open concept room. It's really nothing like crazy. I mean, of course, when you see it in video, it's like, what the hell? But this is my studio. This is like my joint. This is where I do a lot of my paintings right here. And I also be like dancing and stuff, you know what I'm saying? Nah, but I like to play basketball. I play basketball with my soccer ball a lot. I don't even know what to talk about. What else do I talk about in this part? I basically designed this whole entire thing. So up in these areas, I have some skylights, and these skylights allow me to get daylight. There's a difference between daylight and sunlight, and something that I designed these to face north. So the sun always faces north and never faces south. So I never get sunlight, I get daylight. And I did that on purpose because I didn't want it to ruin my art. So this is my storage closet. I still have a lot of work to do in here. I have so much space that I haven't done anything with, but it's a pretty big size. I have all the spray paint here that I need to organize, and I have all these things that I basically need to it is organized, don't get me wrong, but I need to make it look a little better and more efficient, because right now things are just like everywhere. Look at how many canvases I got, guys. I got all these canvases. This is gonna be for the next commission that I'm working on right now. And I have all these canvases that I bought for no reason. Like, I have these massive canvases that I have no like reason for, because I don't have any like commissions to do them for. But if you want to hire me to create a painting this big for you, just let me know, because I got a lot of like supplies for it. My partner also thinks that I spend way too much money for no reason, so. Now we're back in the open studio, but yo, before we get further in the tour, I want to show you guys my table. This table, I spent like weeks trying to find a table that can like open up but also close like this. Let me show you what this thing does. Like, yo, look at this, guys. This massively opens like this, and also in this side. And what's great about this table is that I can move it and slide it all across. So I could like have meetings in here. I have a lot of projects that I do in here, as you can see with all the paint on it. But this table is like the best thing because it can slide and it can move and it can go anywhere that I want it to. So if you're looking for a table like this, I have no idea where I bought it. I forgot, but do your research because I bet you can find it. That hurt. Did I tell you guys about my mural wall? I don't know if you saw the video, but if you haven't, like, make sure you click on this link right here because it's dope. Let's go take a look at it. Guys, so this is my mural wall that I built earlier in 2024 so that I can have something to practice on. Because I'm an artist and muralist, I need something to practice my skill in, and this is the perfect wall to do it. It's not too big, it's not too small. It is the right size for me to practice anything that I want to. So this is something that I'm extremely proud of, and I can't wait to work on my next project because it's way overdue. I've had this design up for a while now, but I think it's time to do something else. This is my bathroom. This little bathroom I designed. I designed everything, but it makes me happy to say that I designed something like this. You know, take a little shower. I don't take many showers in here because I have a home that I take showers in. But when I get very dirty and nasty, I would definitely take a shower in here. Definitely had to represent with New York City with my subway tiles. So I did subway tiles to represent New York City, so nice they named it twice.
Tell them about your favorite part of the bathroom though.
Oh, my favorite part of this bathroom is my sink. This is like the best part of this whole entire room. First off, this sink cost me about $1,000. And not that money is a thing, but money is a thing when you spend $1,000 on a sink, especially for a freaking art studio. But this is my favorite thing. It has this gooseneck, and I could basically like use it to spray the floors or spray into a bucket. Definitely has some nice high pressure for my brushes. So I'm set, I'm Gucci, you know? And then I built these cabinets here for, I have no idea. The contractors asked me, why do you want to build these cabinets here? And I'm like, I have no idea, but I want cabinets here. But what I've been using these for is for like mainly storage and stuff. A lot of my airbrushes are here. And basically random stuff, but that's what it is. Going back to my open studio concept. By the way, guys, I truly love it here. Like, I love this space so much. I stretch, I do so much in this area right here. Damn, who was cutting their lawn? It is January, my gosh. Yo, guys, I completely forgot to show you my desk. Come. This, I spend a lot of my times here, and as you guys know, I have to edit these videos that take me 14 hours to edit. This is where I do it. This is where I do basically all of my editing, and this is where I get a lot of my inspiration from. And yeah, this is where I do a lot of that type of stuff. So whenever you see a lot of my video edits, it was done on this computer and in this chair. Definitely gonna take you to my little section of reading books, because as artists, I think it's very important to let you guys know that you should constantly read to improve yourself and to just like gain knowledge, because it's like necessary. So guys, like this is right here is my little library, and this is where I have like basically all my books that I read in and out from. So I use a lot of these to basically improve and to get better as a person, mainly, not even as an artist. I do have art books and stuff, but mainly is for my self-help. Some of my favorite books. So these books I haven't read yet because I just got those for Christmas. But these, all right, let's see. Oh, this one. So How to Own Your Own Mind by Napoleon Hill. One of my favorite books of all times. I just read this book back in December, and I read it twice in a row. That's how good this book was. My second favorite would have to be Inward by Young Pueblo. I'm actually gonna read this book again sometime in the next couple of weeks. This book was really like inspirational to me. And what else? Fun? I don't know. Oh, well, fun. This one. Steal Like an Artist by Austin Kleon. Definitely a book that you guys should like look into. It's a fun one to just like explore your creativity and like find who you are. All right, enough about books, but books are important. So make sure you know, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I just put paintings up here today. Because my partner kept saying, you have an empty wall, you should do something with it. She's laughing behind the camera. What are you saying?
It's true.
And these are actually commissions. I have these commissions that I'm working on right now are actually commissions. I don't know what else to say. Welcome to my wood shop. And this is also my vision board, where I have a lot of things that I aspire to be and do. So your boy wants to reach 1 million subscribers at some point. And I definitely haven't gotten there. I'm not even close. But with your help, maybe we can get there. You know what I mean? If you share my stuff, if you like it, if you comment on it, you know, if you subscribe, I don't know, and just subscribe to my stuff, and maybe you will be one of the lucky ones to be like, oh my God, I knew Junior when he had 4,000 subscribers. Come on, subscribe, like, comment, share, you know? So this is Junior Designs' wood shop. This is where I have a lot of my wood cutting materials, a lot of my wood cutting tools, and I also have my bikes. I love riding bikes. You know what? Something I've never done is ever try to ride this bike in the studio.
What are you doing?
Oh, did I just ruin my floors? That would be funny.
Stop. If you run into me, I swear to God.
Yeah, so this is my wood shop, and this is also kind of like a shed type place. So before I had the studio, I had this exact size shed in the corner of my property, and I basically like substituted and put all of that was in that shed, and I put it into this little room. This room doesn't have any windows besides this window, and I'm okay with that. It's because I'm not here often, and it's cool. And I also have an attic. So this attic holds a lot of my storage up here, and this was not planned. This was actually planned like last minute. Well, I wanted these to be bolted ceilings, but my contractor was like, it's no sense to put bolted ceilings in these when you can have storage. So I decided to put storage up here, and it honestly saves me a lot of space down here to do whatever the hell I want. And basically that is it. That is Junior Design Studio Tour. Okay, bye, you can leave. Yo, but wait, I have my drum. That's enough.